Okay, so I just need some help with doing some lease audits, and I was wondering whether you might be able to help with this. I've already set up the spreadsheet, so this is for Route 15, and you can see I've got the spreadsheet with the unit number, customer name, and their lease number. Now, that just allows us to put them in order from the newest first down to the oldest. And then what we need to do in SiteLink is we need to go to Company and then SiteLink eSign Console, which hopefully we'll be able to log on to here, and there it is. And then what I've done is I'm just going to change the date range because it's a very short date range. I mean, this needs to go back to a couple of years in case there's customers who moved in a couple of years ago. So the way we can do that, if you just click on there, then you can actually take it back. And we bought this in, I think, in 2016. So we'll just go back to the 1st of January 2016. The date range will cover the whole period. And what we're looking for are, let's go all. Okay. And we'll see all the leases eventually when it comes up, and there they are. And actually what we're going to do, we're going to search for the individual ones. So you can see here we've got E24, so if we just type in E24, then hopefully, as if by magic, the E24 leases will come up. Let's get rid of that for a sec. And we can see, you can see these ones have moved out, but these ones have completed and moved in. So I'm not entirely sure. There we go, E24. There must be an E24 somewhere in there. But you can see E24, Ken Oosterhout, which is this guy. And what we're looking for is the status of his lease and his insurance document. And you can see in this column, status completed. That's the bit of information we want. So just type in completed, get it off capitals, completed. It'd be great if I could spell. And there we go. So that's what we need to do.